So yeah, this is a little session about how to create some sort of banners, and you can use canva.com, which is free to use, free to sign up. As you can see, you can use it for different presentations, social media posts, headers, and all kinds of different things, like different sizes. So what you could do is, let's just create one for you, Noreen, with the horses. Let's create a new one. So create a design, and we'll say maybe it's so you want some sort of poster for your sales page, or maybe not a poster, let's say some sort of banner. Let's use it, let's say block banner. Let's see what the size is. Yeah, so it could be okay to use on a sales page. You could also use that in a post. But let's say you want to brand your program. So you want to upload your logo, and I don't have your logo, but I have some other logos. Okay, so for example, I have logo of my book here. What could I use? So say I want to create, like, you could have this with the horses. You could have a horse picture.
Yeah.
So this could be your program, right? So I think you can just drop it into here, right? So that could be whatever base image you might have, and you can actually manipulate it and make it bigger and smaller, or move it around in here as well. And then say this is an element of course I've downloaded this from a page from Creative Market. You can grab brush strokes and different images, and you know, you can just
you put that up on file.
Exactly, you can have some fun with it, and sort of just add elements and that helps you with the branding. I don't know, let me just see. It's a bit tricky to get it on top there. So yeah, whatever, it'll be something like this, and you might want to have some text. So yours is like the language of the horses. Now let me find out actually a horse background. Or something, a picture, photo, just so you can replace it then with your own. And
didn't know they were around.
I don't know, maybe let's just do this just as an example. You put it in here. You delete my other one. Drop in here. Right. So maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, perfect. you can play with it. Obviously, you might want to have your logo somewhere.
Yeah.
Up here. You can change this to gold color if that's you know, if it follows your logo. It could be all in gold.
Yeah.
Right. And it could be something more funky, like different type of writing. Like I'm using this one, for example, for my things. Of course, you know, whatever you think styling. So it could be that the language of the horses, and then it could be your subtitle. What was that then?
It was learn and receive the wisdom and gifts of the horses.
Copy that, and then here is your learn
and receive the wisdom and gifts of the horses.
Of the horses, and then this could be a different style of text. You could even have prefabricated ones here. You know, some examples. let me think. It could be something like this. Then put that in here as the main, the language of the horses.
Okay.
This is gold color.
Mm-hmm.
Delete that. And this text I'll put into here to the bottom. And then this could be much smaller. But you see how you can start creating
a banner kind of for us, yeah.
And more of a brand, and you could add different elements and make it more.
Yeah, and I could do a few of them, couldn't I, as well? Yeah.
Yeah. So you can add little elements. Like I've downloaded obviously some backgrounds.
Yeah.
For myself, but yeah. So Creative Market is a good one. It's very, very inexpensive. You can add splashes. You know, all of a sudden it looks $1 million, right?
Yes. Yes, I know what you mean.
And little frames and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's an example of what you could do in Canva and Creative Market.
Yes, that's very good. Yeah.
.com is where you can find bundles, like branding bundles. So you just put in your keywords. If it's horses, let's see what comes up for horses. Because there may be horse elements, like, I don't know, you have a saddle, for example, or some cartoon
or something,
cartoon type horses, or different horse elements, horse head, horse racing. Here is probably some elements maybe that you can use, then import into Canva, because obviously there's an upload function for your own stuff. And
okay, I save these then, do I save them onto,
yeah, so you could just pay for a package like this. Obviously they have images there as well, but what was the one that had these elements? Font, oh, this is a font family. So see, these are more like font type of horse type fonts.
Okay.
but there's more like the Wild West or something like that, I guess.
Yeah, I don't need them.
Yeah. Yeah, but it gives you some ideas. For sure.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Then